Omu butumwa obushomerwe RPC wa Bushenyi mpango Peter Nkurega okurwo wa Minister w'ebyengyenda n'emirimo Fred Byamukama arabwire emyeto mu Bushenyi okurekeraho kukoresa ku social media ekyari kugira ngo bingi bibaretire obuzibu.
If you are there, be there for something which is constructive, not being there for things that will destroy you. Social media is destroying our people, and so he emphasizes that you should only be on social media when you are doing something constructive, if it is there. But if it is not there, you do desist from it.
Obuhabuzi obuhirwe aha mukoro gw'okusiibura abeegi 6 abamazire emishomo y'okundi ihanga ryabo aha itendekero rya UTC Bushenyi Kahaya.
As we talk now, the same function is taking place in UTC Chema, UTC Airborne, UTC Rida, and UTC Kichwamba. So they are all carrying out the same function, and we have trained all of them. When His Excellency meets us, he always asks, where are the alumni? Which people have you trained? And today we are very happy that we are going to report to him that we have every trained students of all these UTCs.
The President, the country is encouraging science. Science is the way to go, and you're the right people with this knowledge that you've got in this training for these days to have a multiplier effect.
Orukurira itendekero rya UTC Bushenyi Samu byagweri asimire government habo kutamana minjo mukombe kitendekero rya Kahaya bakarateka ha murembe.
There are some universities we beat in terms of infrastructure and numbers. So our chief guest extend my sincere gratitude to government for revamping vocation, for remembering vocation. The vocation was now almost this field of failures, but that now is history.
Omuhezo wa RDC ahabwa Bushenyi Rosa Twira shabira bejo kureba ngo bayibembezo kugira emitwe babana benda kuba bahanguzi.
The good things are yet to come, and you'll be very big people in this country, good mothers, good parents, and you will sit in those comfortable positions in this country.
So now it's upon you as students of Bushenyi Technical College to make sure that you utilize those opportunities, to make sure that at least you improve yourself, your family, and even you improve the nation, to make sure that we have better people who can be used to see other people improve this nation.
Asante sana.
Gashakwa Abraham Muganzi.